Do this if your iPhone is running slow. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's quick video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your iPhone running slow. So let's get started. First of all, open up your settings. After you open up your settings, you will need to go to accessibility. To go there, simply scroll down and right under general, you'll find accessibility. Tap on it and open it up. Now under accessibility, we will have to enable touch and enable our assistive touch. So simply head over to assistive touch and toggle that button on. And after you do that, you can head back. This will pop up. And now what you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to your settings again. Go to general. So let us head to our settings, head to general, scroll down till you find the shutdown. So after you tap on the shutdown button, you will see the slide to power off option. Now, after this pops up, you will need to tap on your assistive touch and then head over to home. Make sure that you tap on home for a few seconds. And after you tap on home for a few seconds, you will need to type in your passcode. Simply tap on your passcode. It will just clear up your RAM and your iPhone should run a bit faster. And yeah, that is basically it, guys. That is how you do it. Thanks for watching. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.